guys! So, how are you? I hope everyone is doing okay. I know I have been absent uploading videos for the last almost 2 months, I think. Just like any YouTubers, I also took time to have a break. And since it's the holidays last December, there are a lot of things or occasions that I attended or I went, and it's a lot of fun, of course, and just simply enjoying the moment with family, friends, and as well as my co-workers. It's been a good year, and I'm very thankful for that, and everything that I have been through for the past couple of years. It really pays off if you took some time to, just wait for your time. Wait for your time. It's really just God's perfect time. And let's all watch and enjoy a trip down memory lane for 2022. Thank you for watching, guys. Let's all make memories for 2023. Peace.